welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. Thank you guys for tuning in. In today's video, I decided to try out the Colourpop Tinted Moisturizer. For some reason lately, I've been sort of interested in tinted moisturizers. If you guys know me, I am a matte, full coverage girl. Like, I live for that. But like, sometimes I feel like I need to just tone it down a bit. This is what it looks like. I'll just show it to you real quick. It's called Pretty Face. Pretty Fresh. I said Pretty Face. A mess. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna do like an all-day wear test. Gonna pop in, let you guys know how I feel about it in a few hours, and then I come back at the end of the day, show you guys what it looks like, how I feel about it, all that good stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this video going. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did not even know Colourpop had a tinted moisturizer. So little quick story, my sister actually bought this tinted moisturizer and it's too light for her, so she asked me to try it. So I was like, you know, I haven't posted in like 8,000 years, so let me like make a video out of this. So here we are. I still want to try the Fenty one. I don't know why I haven't yet, but I got a sample of it and I have no idea where it is. So I'm gonna do that next. I actually have like a list of things that like I want to film, and I was just like, film it. I'm so weird today. It's just, bear with me guys. Okay. So I have the shade Dark 18W, so we're gonna see how that works today. I'm not sure if it's gonna be my shade, but we will see. But this is what the box looks like when you get it. I'm just gonna read some facts to you guys. I have it pulled up on the website here. So Colourpop Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, so it's cute. It's called Pretty Fresh. So the retail price is $14. So the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, a hydrating oil-free tinted moisturizer with lightweight coverage that evens skin tone and leaves your skin looking fresh and healthy. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and coconut water to support skin hydration without adding oil, this tinted moisturizer works for all skin types and makeup styles. Just customize your routine and create your own look. So the finish of this is going to be natural. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. Oh, so it's 1.45 fluid ounces, which is 43 milliliters. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter primer. This is the original one. I'm just gonna put a little bit over my face. So because my brows are micro shaded, I kind of just fill them in, especially in the front because they're starting to fade away. And then I carve them out with a concealer. So I'm gonna do that off camera because yeah, I don't care. And then come back. Okay, so my brows are done. And now back to the tinted moisturizer. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake it or anything, but I'm gonna shake it. Going to place them on the back of my hands. This is pretty light for this to be dark, considered dark. I just did like 3 pumps just now, I think. I just did 4. Well, that was like a quarter, 3 1/4. So I'm going to see. That's what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like this is gonna be pinkish. So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place brush, foundation brush, and just use that to blend it out. If I keep looking over here, it's because I have a mirror here, so just FYI. I don't want to like be so negative, but I feel like I'm not gonna like this tinted moisturizer because I don't usually go for tinted moisturizers because feel like they just make me look oily all day. I didn't prime my nose. Oh my gosh. I'm such a mess. So I blended out everything. This is a very lightweight moisturizer indeed. Light coverage. Looking at it, it looks very, I feel like it's very pink. Like it's not me undertone wise. My slow self forgot to put milk of magnesia on my nose. I already have a layer of this moisturizer on my face, but I'm still gonna put it on. So while that fully dries, once it fully dries, I'm gonna put another layer of the tinted moisturizer on my face and then come back. Okay, so I put another layer on. Let's move on. And this is what I look like. So I'm just gonna do concealer and bronze up my face, and that's about it. I'm not even gonna do highlight or anything because why? It's definitely I feel like I have 2 different SPF moisturizers on. Like it's very, well, just moisturizers. It's very, very hydrating. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Instant Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. That was the shade Caramel, by the way. And I'm gonna blend this out. I've been using this is a Real Technique sponge. I've been using this a lot lately, as opposed to like my beauty blender. I still use my beauty blender, but I use it for, well, you'll see, I use it for my setting powder. But like I was going out and I was at work and I was doing my makeup and I totally forgot my beauty blender, and I just like ran to like Rite Aid and picked this up, and I've been using it like ever since. It's been like 2 months. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But I forgot like how like amazing the sponge is. Like the best concealer, hands down, like drugstore. Age Rewind. It's literally the best. I have it in like so many shades. Like I use it to highlight and then conceal. Then sometimes I even use it as a foundation. And I just bought 2 shades to use as like contour. I'm not gonna use it in this video because I'm not gonna like really contour my face. I'm just gonna use like a powder and bronze up my face. I don't want to be too dark when it comes to like my bronzer, so I'm actually gonna go with the FentyBeauty STALK'R bronzer, and I have this in Caramel Cutie. Okay, so I went in with just a little bit of my Physicians Formula bronzer. Caramel Cutie just wasn't dark enough. I didn't think I was gonna need it, but whatever. But I had the shade in the summer, and I just used that over because it wasn't dark enough for me. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my under eyes. So I have a mixture of Coty Airspun and Sacha Buttercup. For my face powder, as usual, I'm gonna go with my Sephora Mircrosmooth powder, and I'm gonna use the shade Tan. I'm gonna go all over my face. Okay, so for my last step, I'm gonna go in with mascara. So this is from Rimmel London, the Scandalize. I go back and forth with this one and my Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I mostly just use my Benefit one, but I didn't want to waste it for this. So I'm gonna just put on like something on my lip. I'm not gonna do anything dramatic. I'm gonna keep it light and go in with the FentyBeauty, their Gloss Bomb Cream. And this is in Mob Wives. Okay, so I am completely done. So far, like I think it looks really nice. Like it's a good, you wanna have something on your face, but you don't wanna be too beat kind of look. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was just like, really? Like, this is boring. But it does look nice, especially like since I'm going to work today. Like, I don't need a beat face for work. Like, this is a good, nice look. Like a everyday look. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go about my day, and I think I'm gonna do like a check-in, and then I'll come back at the end of the day and do my final thoughts. I'm actually a little excited to see how it's gonna look after a few hours. I feel like it's gonna start getting dewy. I hope not, because the way I look now is exactly how I want to stay. I just want to stay matte. And oh, I didn't even tell you what time it is. Oh, the time is now 1:32. Not too bad. So I'm probably gonna come back at like 5:30, and then whatever time it is that I get home, I will come back and share my thoughts with you guys. Okay guys, so it is now 7:12. I went 2 hours over my check-in time, but I got sidetracked. But I really like how it looks after all this time. I'm gonna zoom in. Well, I'm just gonna get close. I mean, this was already showing from before, but I'll show you. Yeah, like I really like that I'm still matte. If you guys remember, I forgot to put Milk of Magnesia on my nose, and then I put it over the moisturizer, but my nose is still dry. I had sunglasses on, so that's why that looks like that. But yeah, I mean, it still looks really good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it on for a few more hours, definitely past 10 o'clock, and then I'll come back and give you my final reviews. But I'm actually really surprised on how it looks so far, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so it's the end of the night. It is now 11:53, and I pretty much had this on for I've pretty much had this on for about 10 hours, 10 full hours, going on to 11. It's crazy. I like it. I wasn't expecting to like it. I thought I was gonna be dewy by now, especially by my check-in. I'm just gonna show you guys what my face looks like. I'll show you guys my forehead. So yeah, like my nose. My nose isn't shiny. I'm still matte, so I'm really surprised, to be honest, on how my face still looks, especially after all this time. So yeah, I'm actually really happy on the time that it held up. I can't say anything bad about this tinted moisturizer at all. I think it's pretty good. So I am a little shiny on my nose and my chin. I just touched my but it's still not bad. Yeah, so I just touched my chin and my nose like with my finger, and there's definitely some oils that came through, but I mean, for as long as I've had it on, 10 plus hours, like that's amazing. Like literally amazing. And it's $14. Like, come on. So I think I'm actually gonna keep using this. I might actually bring it with me on my trip. I'm not sure. When I do my makeup, I always feel like if my face is fully covered, like all my, you know, blemishes and all that, if that's fully covered, then like I'm, you know, put together, like I'm looking, you know, presentable, I guess. And it's just making me realize that I don't have to cover up everything to still look nice. I don't know if that makes any type of sense. I just keep looking at my face. I'm like, this literally, like I'm thinking that like something like, you know, disappeared off my face or so. Like I was like looking for some kind of flaw and I literally cannot find anything. It looks really nice. So Anyways, if you were thinking about trying this tinted moisturizer, I definitely say give it a go. This is something that I would go to. It held up all day. It wasn't that hot today, so I guess I lucked out on that, but I had a long day, as you can tell. It's basically midnight now, and I'm now coming back wrapping up the video. So I definitely recommend it. If you want to try it, you can get your shade. Definitely go for it. And it's 14 bucks. I can't stress that enough. It's $14. So yeah, so that completes my video, the Colourpop Tinted Moisturizer. If you guys are interested in trying it or have tried it already, definitely let me know in the comments down below so we can chat about it. I don't know why, like, I thought that, like, I don't know, maybe I'm just not up to date with these tinted moisturizers, but I thought it was just gonna like fade out at least, or get dewy in like 3 hours at most. But this is literally amazing. This is gonna be like my go-to. Oh, and I was wearing a mask, and you can't even tell that anything came off, or it. You know what? I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go now. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and staying all this time. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell so you know exactly when I upload. But until next time, stay safe, wash your hands, wear your mask. I guess I can't say that anymore, because now if you're vaccinated, you don't have to wear a mask. Wash your hands and wear your mask. Stay safe, stay pretty, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.